Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade marshmallows. So let's get started. Lightly grease a 9x13 inch pan, or you can use an 8 or 9 inch square pan for thicker marshmallows. Then dust it with powdered sugar and set it aside for now. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, you can use an electric hand mixer, but a stand mixer is much easier. Add in the cold water, vanilla extract, and sprinkle the gelatin evenly over it. Mix them together and let it sit for at least 10 minutes until it becomes thick. Meanwhile, in a heavy bottom saucepan, add in the sugar, water, corn syrup, and salt, and place it onto the stove over a medium heat. Stir the ingredients to combine them. Place the lid on top and heat it until it boils, stirring it occasionally. And I transferred it to a larger saucepan because the syrup bubbles up quite a bit. So once it's boiling, remove the lid, turn the heat up to medium-high, place a candy thermometer into the pan. Make sure it's not touching the bottom of the pan, or it will show the temperature of the bottom of the pan instead of the actual sugar syrup. And heat it without stirring it until it reaches 240 degrees. When it reaches 240 degrees, remove it from the heat. Turn the mixer onto low speed. Slowly and carefully pour in the sugar syrup. Once it's all added, beat it on medium to high speed for about 10 minutes until it's really thick, white, and about double or triple its volume. And it should be slightly warm, but not completely cooled. When it's done, it should be very stiff and elastic. Pour it into the prepared pan and spread it out until it's even, working quickly because it's always setting. Then leave it at room temperature uncovered for at least 6 hours or overnight until it's set. Then in a small bowl, add in the powdered sugar and cornstarch and whisk them until they're combined. Dust a thin layer of it on top of the marshmallows. Run a butter knife around the edges to loosen them from the pan, and turn them out onto a cutting board. And cut them using a sharp knife that's been lightly oiled to keep it from sticking to them. Then toss them in the powdered sugar cornstarch mixture so the edges that were cut are no longer sticky. Tap off the excess, and do that for the rest of them. And that's how to make homemade marshmallows. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.